Hello everybody, this is Sumit Yadav and today in this video we are gonna react on a very exciting new movie which is coming out on September 6th, 2024. Okay, so this movie is about the third Prime Minister of India, okay, which is Indira Gandhi, and she is the first Prime Minister of India, right? This movie, as you can see in the description, is produced and directed by Kangana Ranaut, okay, and Renu Pitti, and story is also by Kangana Ranaut. Okay, so a lot of thing has been done by Kangana Ranaut. Also, the main lead heroine, or not, what you can say, the main character of Indira Gandhi has been played by Kangana Ranaut. Okay, so which is very interesting. She is doing a lot of thing over here. Apart from that, you can see a lot of very exciting actors like Anupam Kher, Shreyas Talpade, Milind Sonam, Mahima Chaudhary, Vishal Nair. Okay, so a lot of excitement. So let's get started with the trailer and let's see it.
सत्ता यानी ताकत।
सरकार वो चुनिए जो आपके लिए कड़े निर्णय ले सके, जिसमें दम हो।
जिसके हाथ में सत्ता होती है वो कहलाता है शासक।
इंदिरा गांधी ने असम जाकर उसे भी कश्मीर बनने से बचा लिया।
पहले तो तुम मुझसे सीखा करती थी, मगर अब सिखाना चाहती हो।
एक हारा हुआ इंसान कभी किसी की जीत बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता।
गूंगी गुड़िया ने तो अपने बाप को नीचे गिराकर उसकी कुर्सी हड़प ली।
राजनीति में कोई किसी का सगा नहीं होता।
बॉर्डर पे क्या सिचुएशन है? हमें वापस फाइट करना चाहिए।
वाजपेयी जी, मैं एक राजनेता से मोल भाव करने आई थी, मगर सामने सिर्फ एक सच्चा देशभक्त दिखा।
इंदिरा जी, देश हमारा भी है।
Sam, are you with me in this?
I am with India, Prime Minister.
You have effectively declared war on Pakistan. You should have rethought this decision.
You have weaponry, we have courage. That's all it takes.
गुड़िया बोलने लगी है।
ये शिमला एग्रीमेंट तो भारत की बहुत बड़ी हार है।
यही होता है जब कोई व्यक्ति देश सेवा के लिए नहीं, सत्ता के लिए लड़ता है।
हम सबकी नजर आपकी कुर्सी पर है कि कब आप कुर्सी से गिरे और ये लपक ले।
संपूर्ण व्यवस्था बदलने का एक ही रास्ता है, संपूर्ण क्रांति।
क्या बैड न्यूज है? जेपी, शिमला एग्रीमेंट, रेलवे स्ट्राइक, which one?
संजय, अपनी कुर्सी की रक्षा करना तुम लोगों का कर्तव्य है। एक बार छोड़ दी तो गई।
ये देश एक खुली जेल बन जाएगा। पूरी कैबिनेट की सहमति आवश्यक होती है इंदिरा जी।
मैं ही कैबिनेट हूँ।
आज से सब कोर्ट्स बंद, अखबार, ऑफिसेज, प्रिंटिंग प्रेसेस, सबकी बिजली काट दो।
किसने सोचा था कि लोकतंत्र का ऐसे गला घुटेगा? हर आवाज जो उसके खिलाफ उठेगी कुचलती जाएगी।
आपातकाल भारत के लोकतंत्र पे एक काला धब्बा है।
सारे देश में तुम्हारे खिलाफ नफरत का माहौल पैदा होता जा रहा है।
नफरत, 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 और मिला क्या है मुझे इस देश से?
तुम जानते हो कि हमारी पार्टी को क्या चाहिए?
साडी पार्टी ਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਖਾਲਿਸਤਾਨ।
India is Indira, and Indira is India.
Woohoo! So that was the trailer. It was so awesome, right? And we can see it's based on a real story, and lot of the incident. Yes, I have heard about it because I was not born, or not that. What you can say? I was a small boy when Indira Gandhi was in the power as a prime minister. So I have heard a lot of stories and lot of facts about her, but I have never seen it. Okay, so this movie is just recalling me all that back, all the stories that our brothers, our bigger brothers and our dad used to tell us. And yes, and this story also what you can say, make me remember of the Prime Minister Modi movie. Okay, so which came back and just told about the emergency situation during the Indira Gandhi. Also, it took me to the, what you can say, the Marshal Sam Manekshaw movie which just came out. Okay, so that is also correlated to this movie. And apart from that, the Vajpayee government and many things. Okay, so I think this movie is gonna be success. Okay, so let me first start with who was Indira Gandhi, what I know about her, right? So Indira Gandhi, as per what I know, was the Prime Minister of India, and she was the first Prime Minister, Lady Prime Minister of India, and she was what you can say. She was born in Prayagraj, which is Allahabad, or currently it is Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, right? And she was not actually Gandhi. Before that, her name was something Nehru. Her surname was Nehru, and then she married Firoz Gandhi, which was a Parsi. And after that, I don't think so. Firoz Gandhi is directly linked to Manmohan Das Karamchand Gandhi, but when we hear her like Indira Gandhi, we think that she is related to Gandhiji, but it is not. And there is a lot of complexity in the thing. And she has done also good work and also some bad works. What you can say, the bad work was emergency, and the good work was the Assam, that they told that how she saved the Assam. Also the Kerala, she saved Kerala from some communist regimes and many more, right? So overall, what you can say, initially her power was of great importance when she did lots of what you can say, different things like Assam, Kerala and many things. But later on, when she got the power, she did some such thing like emergency and very forceful acts to what you can say, to bend down the sound or the voice of the common people, of the local cultural people, right? So she wanted some other culture only, but the local resistance didn't let that happen, right? So overall, I think she was a decent prime minister, but at the ending in 1984, a lot of Khalistani groups and a lot of other insurgency happened, and she was killed, right? So that's what I know about her. And seeing this movie, the acting and the people they have used is incredible. I will definitely see this movie. I am very much excited about Kangana Ranaut role, and then Anupam Kher role, right? Like he's playing Vajpayee, I guess. So I am very much excited for the 4 roles. One is of Indira Gandhi, one is of Modi ji, third is Vajpayee, and fourth is Sam Manekshaw. Okay, how it will turn out, right? And overall, I like the stories which are based on real life, right? So hope you like this video. Anything you want to add to this video, you can comment down, or you can suggest any other thing I should be doing, right? Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching.